everyone, my name is Treya. Oh, I forgot something. I have not made a Rakhi today. And Raksha Bandhan is coming. So, let's make a Rakhi today. So, materials required for the Rakhi is beads. Beads is optional. You can use beads if your paper has power. So, you can use beads. Cello tape. If you are using beads, you can use Fevicol or hot glue gun. Scissor. This type of you have not a ribbon or dory. You can use this. And origami sheet. Any origami sheet. It will be bad. It will be nice. It will be new or old sheet. You can use that because we need old or new. So let's make. So take a origami sheet. So I have taken origami sheet like this. So we have to make a circle in it, right? We have to make a circle. For circle marking, you can use pens or pencils. You can use anything. So I have marked with a pen, circled with cello tape, and now we have to cut it. But be careful with cut scissors. You can use adult to help. So see my circle. I have cut it with adult and adult helps. So this is my circle. Now let's decorate our circle. You can use a flower with origami sheets and anything you want. I used the circle for making a Rakhi. So let's decorate. I will make a circle in all. So you can use anything. So I have decorated my circle like this. Like this. So now you can see very carefully. In this step you will be very confused. So you can use a cello tape for this because glue stick will not help you, and please do not use hot glue gun because it is very dangerous and paper will be not. So please do not use hot glue gun and use cello tape. So use cello tape. So I will take a cello tape from the tape. So I have taken a cello tape. Now I have to cut. Be very careful from cutting. In this step you can use yourself also, but you can only pick up the cello tape and don't take the hand in when you are cutting. So now I have to paste. So take a tape where you have take, and I have taken tape and now I have to paste here. So take a circle, upside down the circle like this. You can see, and take a ribbon or dory what you have. So I take this and take and paste it. and pasted it. And cut the excess that in the out of the circle. So cut it. And in 5 minutes, very simple Rakhi is made. Very simple Rakhi. It is very simple Rakhi. In 5 minutes we have made. And you can use beads to decorate. I will use tape, decorative tape. Decorative tape, I will use that, but I will not use because it will look bad. It will look bad. You can use beads, tape. You can use that, or your paper have power then, not to don't use. You have used A4 size sheet and with cello tape you have circled. In A4 size sheet you can use that, and decorative beads, anything, pearls, stones, anything. So see.